Hello, James. Can you hear teacher? I can't hear you.
Yes,
Yes. Okay. How are you today?
what's my version of it again?
Huh? I don't know. Like yesterday, there's something problem again with the audio kasi. Pero today, it's better na. Not unlike yesterday na napakahina. But today, so it's okay na already. Okay? So just speak very loud. Okay? And also, please refrain like this. Okay, upo lang tayo. Upo lang po tayo. Okay, thank you po. Kasi pag nakahiga tayo, we will feel sleepy din. Okay? Di ba? Did you sleep po today? Did you sleep po today? Hmm? What is it, James? No. Louder! Hindi ko naman naririnig eh. No, teacher. Say it again. No. What no? No, Kuya James. 'Di ba remember saying teacher, saying po and opo, right? No po, teacher. Yes po, teacher. Okay? This time, are you ready na, James, to read with teacher again? Hello? Are you ready to read with teacher again po? Yes po. Say it again. Yes po. Ay, nawawala na naman yung audio. Bakit kaya nawawala yung audio ni James? Oh. Oo, hindi ko naririnig eh. Nawawala na naman yung audio mo. Pero that's okay lang. Sige. Pero lakasan mo para alam ni teacher kung naririnig kita, ha? Okay po? O, upo na naman po tayo. Please sit down po. Sit down, rocking the boat. Okay, James, magpili na tayo po. Let's choose po the story that we're going to read for today. Are you ready? Yes? Yes, I guess so, if you're ready. Okay, I will just share the screen already. Wait a moment. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, here. James, can you see my screen now already? Yes? Okay. So last time we read all about Earth. But this time, what do you want to read for today's lesson? Or today's reading class? We're done with the elephant, okay? What do you want? Faster, faster, choose. Hmm?
Orange.
Louder, please.
Oh, orange.
Where?
Down.
Down.
Down, down,
Orange.
down.
Hello, James. What did you say?
Orange.
Orange. Oh, what? There's happened talaga with your audio. So did you check it earlier? Did you check the audio? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So because with my student early, it's okay then. I can hear her. Okay. So, all right. So don't worry. Speak loud. Okay.
Orange.
Yes. Okay. How do you read this one?
Orange.
Orange. Let me ask you, is there any case ba? Are you using tablet case? iPad case? Oh, maybe because kasi if you're using a case, sometimes hindi masyadong naririnig din. Are you using an iPad case po?
Yes.
Yes. But you're using the same, di ba? You're using the same iPad all the time during online class. Before I can hear you clearly, but this time medyo hindi ko konti lang. Okay, but it's okay. Let's try. But maybe it will be okay later on. All right. So our reading, the title of our reading material is
Orange.
Orange. Very good. Okay, so let's read. Sit down properly now, James. Thank you. Okay, ready, go. Again.
Yes.
This an
Orange.
orange. Oh, this is an orange. Correct. Next. Okay. Kindly wait for teacher James. I will try this one nga. Maybe. But it's okay kanina. It's okay already.
Can you speak it again? Speak ulit. How about this one? Can you please read it this one?
Is
Mm-hmm.
a
Mm-hmm.
door.
Sour.
Flower.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm. What word? One more time, louder.
sweet.
Sweet. U sound.
Fruit.
Fruit. Very good. Okay, one more time. Let's read it very fast. Go.
This is orange. This is a flower. And sweet. Fruit.
Wait a moment. What word is this one?
This is an orange.
Orange. Very good. Next.
Flower. And
Mm-hmm.
sweet. Fruit.
Okay, sweet fruit. So, talaga this time may hindi kita marinig masyado. Okay? But it's okay. However, let's see also yung audio mo also, okay? All right. So, but it's okay. Next, it. Skip word is.
Round.
Mm-hmm.
Is
In.
top.
Along a shape.
Orange.
Orange. Next one. Colored. Next. And. And. Rich. In. Mm-hmm. Okay. Vitamin. Mm-hmm. Vitamin. Vitamin C. C. Okay, vitamin C. Okay, again, James, what word is this one? Vitamin. Mm-hmm. Vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
Okay, vitamin C. Okay, alright. Sit down po. Nakahiga na naman po tayo. Thank you so much po. Okay, next, it. Ju. Juicy. fruit that has pa pa pulp mhm, in inside it. James, naka-full po ba yung volume mo? Can you try to full your volume? Ha? Because I cannot hear you talaga. Only very, very low voice lang yung naririnig ko sa side ni teacher. Kaya maybe your volume is too low. Pwede rin, that's also the possible answer din. Ay, possible din. Kaya medyo mahina yung naririnig ko. Also, yesterday, di ba? Teacher cannot hear you clearly yesterday. Kaya 'di ba teacher asks you to speak loud, but sometimes I cannot really hear you pa rin. I will try nga din in my side ha. Wait lang, James. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, I can hear my side. It's okay naman. All right? So try mo lang ilakasan din yung volume mo. Okay? All right. So try mo lang baka that is the reason then. Okay, na kaya mahina. Alright, but that's okay. Sige. Basta fix mo pa rin, double check mo before we start the lesson. Okay, next. Where are we now? How do you read this one? One more time. Pulp. Next. Inside. Mm-hmm. Eat. The next one. Mm-hmm. Next. Mm-hmm. Next. Is long I. Wide. Widely. Next. E. Mhm. E10. Next. Win. Oh, wait a moment. I cannot hear this one. What word is this one? Winter. Next. We. We can make tasty. Mm-hmm. We read this one juice. Juice. How about the next one? From it. Okay, very good. Yun, medyo lumalakas na. Kanina talaga walang marinig si teacher, okay? But it's okay na. What word is this one, James? Ready, go! Louder! It's a sound. Pulp. Again. Pulp. Next, how about this one? Jew. How about this one? Long E sound. The letter Y sounds like long E. Jew. How about the letter Y? E sound. Correct. Very good. Juicy. Next. Fruit. Next. How about this one? This one. How do you read this one? Shape. Very good. How about this one? Win. Win. Hello, James. One more time, please.
Winter.
Winter. Okay, next. How about this one?
Widely.
Widely. Ayun. Okay. Ah, nakahiga ka na naman. Bakit ka nakahiga? Just put na lang pillow sa likod mo and try to like this, para hindi ka, para hindi po, alam ba, hindi ka po, hindi sumakit yung likod mo. Okay? Ayan. So, wait lang. Ayan. Okay, next. Let's have, nasa na tayo? Alright. So, do you eat po? Do you eat orange?
Too sour.
Ah?
Too sour.
It's too sour. Not all orange, okay? There are some orange that is really sour, but not the others are not. So, hindi lahat ng orange maasim sour. So, there are some naman that is really sweet, okay? All right. So, but it's okay. You don't like sour fruits?
Yeah.
Ayun, medyo okay na yung audio mo. Naririnig na kita. This one. Choose another one. We're done with the milk. And what else? I think, yeah. We're done with the milk. This one. Choose another one. Uh-huh. There's a banana, tomato, mango, apple, potato, fish, a strawberry, fox. I think we're done with the fox also. Oh, wait a minute. The teacher will double check it. Fox, fox, fox. Not yet. We're not done yet with the fox, James. Hello, James?
How's a robot?
Robot? Okay, here, robot. Okay. Please sit down now. I can see. I want to see your face. Okay, let's have robots. It's okay na. Your audience doing. It's okay na. Nagiging okay na siya. Did you do something? No?
I
No?
think
Uh-huh. Okay, sige. Alright, so sometimes it's okay, sometimes not. Pero it's sige. Alright, what's the title?
robot.
Robot. Do you have any toy or robot toys?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What is it? Maybe you're fan of Transformer. Do you know Transformer, Megatron, and who is the other one? Teacher forgot the other robot then?
I have only some spinning robots and octopus robots and black robots.
Oh, okay. So good to hear. So you really like robots too. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so let's read James. Then after teacher will show you the picture. Okay. All right. So raw
Robot.
with letter S. Don't forget. Robots.
Robot.
Robots with my letter S. Next.
Robot.
Cut the word. Long A sound. This one. Long A. Wag galaw ng galaw. May. Sing. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. Next. What is the sound of CH again? Ch. Machines. Machines. Okay, I'll repeat the whole sentence again. James. Raw. I cannot hear you now. One more time. Robots are. Make it slow. James, upo ka lang po. Kasi po galaw po ng galaw yung tablet mo. Teacher feel dizzy din na tumitingin sa'yo. Okay? Hindi ka ba feel dizzy pag ganon? You're always moving your you're moving all around. Okay. Just put lang po yung tablet mo or iPad sa, meron ka bang table dyan? Do you have any table where you can put down your tablet or iPad? Para hindi mo siya hinahawakan, masakit po yan sa kamay or nagagalaw minsan. Okay, so, yan. Thank you. Ayan, okay na? Saan ka na? Nakaupo ka na po? You're sleepy? Okay, alright. So, okay, continue na tayo. Basta wag lang galaw ng galaw, okay? Don't always move po. Okay, ready, go. That can do many things. Ayun, very good. So, repeat again, mas mabilis. That can.
do many things.
Very good. Next.
They are
Long. Made.
for
Anong word po na to?
help
Help. Very good. Next.
people
People. Very good. Next. With. Ayan. So, cut natin to. Anong sound ng DIF? What is the sound of DIF?
What?
DIF? Different. Different. Okay, different. How about this one? Sound of TA muna. TA first. Ta. How about the letter S? Tasks. Tasks. Okay, tasks. How about this one? Some. Robot of my S. There's a letter S. Robots. Next. Clean. Very good. Next. The house. Very good. Next. I sound. While. While others can help in factories. Factories. Yeah, very good. So it says here that robots are really amazing machines, right? Okay. Does the robot can move? James? Is it a battery operated? Do you put a batteries on it to move? Do you put batteries on it? So that they can move, right? There are some robots that you should put battery so that they can move or do things also. Example, playing music. Sorry.
Have a robot.
Okay, robot. All right. So let's have the next one. Okay, wait for teacher. Okay, so robots. What is the what colors or what robots do you have? Sorry? I cannot hear you clearly, James.
White, blue, white and blue,
Uh-huh.
and the black one.
Ah, the black one. Okay, so here. All right. So how many robots do you have, James? How many robots do you have?
Three.
Three. Okay. Do you have any toy that transform or a car toy that transform into robot?
No.
I know. It's like who is it again? The Transformer, right? Do you have like that? I know. Okay, so I always watch Transformer movies before. So some teacher like robots too, but this time maybe not, or literally not nah. So only sometimes I want robots. Okay. All right, so let's continue, James. Okay, so let's have. Okay, are you ready, James, for the next one? Yes. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so where are we now? Okay, so here, choose another one. So we're done with the robots. Okay, we're done with the basketball also. Elephant for done. Dolphin also. Hmm. Just let me know if you want something now. Huh?
Time.
Sorry?
Night time.
Nighttime. Okay, here, this one. Yes. Okay, all right. Let's continue. Ready? What's the title?
Time.
Nighttime. Very good. Next, night. Night.
Time.
Nighttime. Continue.
Night time.
Mm-hmm.
When
Is the time
time.
when when
And the
the
sun.
sun is
Not
not
in
in
the
the
time.
sky. Sige. This is the reading material we're going to continue tomorrow, okay? So this reading material, we will continue this one tomorrow, okay? All right, so tomorrow again, James, it's already time. Thank you for your time. So please double check also your audio, okay? Before we're going to start the lesson, all right? Thank you, James. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.